Most people traveling to and from Bocas del Toro, Panama, have at least a couple of hours to wander the streets and shops in this gateway town on Isla Colón. While doing that, we found a place to get your souvenirs that looks like any other gift shop in the neighborhood, but there's something that makes this one special. It's called Coco, Cacao y Cafe on Calle 1. It's a small business with a big mission.
Well, we're not spending a lot of time in Bocas Town, but that doesn't mean that you can't shop with a purpose. And we found this great store here, Coco, Cacao y Cafe, that benefits local school kids.
Esta es una tienda que se ocupa prácticamente para beneficiar a los estudiantes que necesitan transporte y comida. Ahora mismo tenemos a 10 becados en la universidad. Cada cosa que hace aquí los estudiantes lo han hecho, todo por sus manos aquí en Bocas del Toro. Como puede ver, tiene unas manos increíbles.
Anna Lee talked about what the local kids make and how they can earn the grants.
Unas calificaciones súper buenas ahora mismo. Una de ellas se llama Nis, vive en Carenero y ella nos hizo esto. Esta fundación de Cumipa está muy recién, no muchas de las personas lo conocen, pero estamos poquito a poco haciéndolas conocer para que más personas puedan apoyar la fundación aquí en Panamá.
It's not just a charity shop, it rocks. And we found some really awesome stuff here, from local soaps and jewelry to the coolest $5 t-shirt ever that I found on a rack outside. And how about this super cute turtle bag for just $3? And it all goes to helping local kids go to school.
Everything that you buy goes to the kids and they're hand painted by the children. The prices are really great and the people that work here are just absolutely amazing. So come to this place. This is a great place to shop.
Coco, Cacao y Cafe on Calle 1 in Bocas Town.